We got 150 of the most important people in every club here today to learn more, to make their trail system better for all the riders. I mean, that is simply amazing.
Yeah, they're all the hands-on people.
They are.
They're the people that make it happen.
Absolutely. So I think, Tom, this year, one thing that probably drove the large crowd was that we included breakfast as part of the event.
Yeah, and got the TC Energy grant to make it more affordable and give people a better reason to get here. I think also increasing or changing the breakout sessions generated a lot of interest.
Yeah, they did. Yeah, what caught my eye too is when they asked all the newbies to stand up. I'm going to say 25 to 30% of the people that attended were new to this event.
I'd agree. A third of them were new.
Yeah.
And a good chunk were younger.
It was definitely a younger crowd.